Modalyst versus Spocket, which is better. Today we will discuss about the pros, cons, pricing, and features of Modalyst and Spocket. Here is my honest opinion. Both Modalyst and Spocket are dropshipping platforms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Modalyst Pros specializes in US dropshipping and print on demand, allows selling products from established brands, no monthly fee for less than 25 listed products, offers print on demand services. Cons, mostly focused on fashion products, charges a relatively high 5% transaction fee. Premium suppliers access requires a $1.90/month pro plan. Some negative reviews on the Shopify app. Pricing of Modalyst, free for less than 25 listed products. Startup plan, $35/month. Pro plan, $90/month. Features of Modalyst: sells existing brands, print on demand, and fashion products. No monthly fee for a limited number of products. Spocket pros: 80% of suppliers located in the US or EU. Fast shipping. Branded invoicing for a personalized touch. Works with various e-commerce platforms. Automated order fulfillment feature. Cons: no print on demand services. Pricing plans may not be suitable for beginners on a small budget. Pricing of Spocket. Plans range from $29.99 to $99.99 per month. Offers a free trial with the code SPOCKETTRIAL. Features of Spocket: focuses on US and EU dropshipping. Branded invoicing, automated order fulfillment. Samples can be ordered easily. Conclusion: choose Modalyst if you prefer fashion products, want to sell print on demand, have less than 25 listed products for free. Choose Spocket if fast shipping is crucial, 80% US-EU suppliers. Need a personalized touch with branded invoicing. Want to work with various e-commerce platforms? Remember, the best choice depends on your specific business needs and preferences.